Ulutsha lwaseMzantsi Afrika olufanelekileyo luyakhuthazwa ukuba lubhalisele ukuvota ngaphambi konyulo lorhulumente bengingqi olucwangciselwe uNovemba walo nyaka. Eli khwelo lizana njengoko ikomishini yonyulo ezimeleyo okanye i-IEC ilungiselela ukusingatha iphulo layo lesibini lokubhalisa abavoti phakathi komhla wesi-7 nowe-10 ku-Agasti. Inika abemi abafanelekileyo ithuba lokubhalisa, ukuhlaziya iinkcukacha zabo kunye nokuqinisekisa isikhululo sabo sokuvota. I-IEC ithi ubhaliso lwabavoti kunye nokuqinisekiswa kweenkcukacha kuyafumaneka kumaqonga ayo a-online, nanjengoko imizamo iqhubeka nokukhuthaza ulutsha ukuba luthathe inxaxheba kwinkqubo yentando yesininzi.
Sekhuthazwa abahlali kakhulukazi abangakabhaliseli ukuvota ukuba bangaphuthelwa ithuba lokwenza njalo. Leli khwelo liza ke njengoba ikhomishana eyangamele ukhetho kulelu IEC umemezele ukuthi kuzophinda kuvuleleke impelasonto yokubhalisa ukuqinisekisa imininingwane kanye nokwenza ushintsho lapho kudingeka khona ngenyanga kaNcwaba.
Njengoba nibona manje ukuthi sesiya kuma-local elections and most of the youth, they've lost hope. So now we want to encourage each and everyone to go and vote and register also, because if we can't be active emagroupini when we have serious issues. And I mean, I still believe that youth is the major stakeholder like South Africa. So if we don't get those votes or register, we're going to still stick with that problem that we are currently having. So Stella Bonka, our youth, your voter, register, voter, because now I was happy, like my first time as a voter. So I think they need to do that, because there's no point for us to complain all the time. Now, later it changes within us.
When it comes to Indabayama elections and the online registration, Sekuvuliwe, IEC have been doing this drive for a very long time. But Sekugithi nathi ukuthi we must assist. Ngoku-understand kwethu ukuthi what does it entails and it informs. Sibonile makwenzwa into zama demarcation, delimitation, ukuthi ziya affecta kakhulu. The numbers just affect if people don't come out to register. Remember, this is the process where we are not even talking about register to vote for who, but registering to vote, especially also young people, those who have never voted before and those who are new registers, first-time voters.
Le komishana ike yakhipha umbiko oshicilelwe ekuqaleni kwalonyaka nowaveza ukuthi iningi labantu baseNingizimu Afrika abasenalo ithemba kuhulumeni wezwe nokholela ekutheni bezithele ngabandayo uma kuziwa kukhetho. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngiseSoweto.